Hi everyone, really quick tutorial here. With Adobe Creative Cloud, they have added Typekit fonts to a few of the programs, one of them including Adobe Illustrator. Now, Typekit fonts, from what I've heard, is about $35,000 worth of fonts that you can use in your projects. So, how do you use these fonts? So, I'm in Illustrator now. Let's say that I have a portion of text selected here. You can go up to where it says character, or you could go to your character panel, and this is all the fonts that I have installed on my system. Now in Creative Cloud you'll see that there's a button that says add fonts from Typekit. So I can click that button and it takes me over to a website, and available is lots of different fonts. So we can browse fonts and see all these different types of fonts. You can sort by slab serif, sans serif, decorative, any kinds of fonts you want. So you basically go and find the font you want, click on it, and it shows you some examples of the text. And if you like that font, you hit Use Fonts, and let's see, I haven't seen this one before. I think this is a web-only font. Let's find one that actually does print. So let me go back to Browse. You can use web fonts as well, but since we're in Illustrator, we'll do a print one. Oh, and they have little icons on here, so kind of indicating what they're used for. So let's try this Proxima Nova one instead. So I'll click on that. And there we have all the different varieties of the fonts, bold, italics, all that kind of different options. So I'll hit Use Fonts here. Regular, bold, you can include which ones you want to include. And if you're logged in, which I'll cover here in a second, you click Sync Selected Fonts. And it all does that through the Creative Cloud. I'll just close this, and I will go back to Illustrator. And now when we look in our list of fonts here, I can go down to, it was Proxima Nova, and it has a little icon there showing it's from Typekit, and I can change to that font. Now, one thing for all this to work is you have to be logged in, signed in to the Creative Cloud. On a Mac, there's a little icon with the Creative Cloud logo up in the upper right corner. Now on a PC, I'm not quite sure where this is. It might just be in a bottom toolbar. But locate that, and when you click on that, this is where you would install your different applications and update them and that kind of thing. Well, there's a section called Fonts, and this shows what fonts that we've brought over and synced. Now, if you've never done this before, you have to make sure that you're logged into the Creative Cloud. And also with the fonts, I believe the first time you do this, there's a button that says Sync Your Fonts for the Creative Cloud or something like that. And when you do that, then from then on, you can actually, when you pick out the fonts, sync it up so that your other software applications can use it. So anyways, I thought I'd show you guys this because it's definitely some pretty cool stuff to be able to use.